Welcome. In front of me I have Nike Ada BB 2.0, and today I'll show you how you can make the soft reset of these shoes. So when you got the problem with the lacing motor and you want to take it off from the power and reset the simple errors such as incorrect lacing or inactive buttons, you have to make this simple soft reset. So you have to click and hold both buttons for 5 seconds, and when this button starts blinking on a red color, we have to release that key and it will be finished. So let's try to make it. Keep holding. Right now just release. Then they are right now turned off, so we have to click and hold one of the buttons to turn them on. As you can see right now, they are going to be turned on, so we have to wait. The switching on process is on the way. Okay, and right now we can lace our shoe. Let's try. And as you can see right now, it works. So, if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.